Using AI can make you profitable on Etsy. What if I say that I use the same? Hi, my name is Mohan and I am a owner of two stores on Etsy, Creator Studio 99 and Gravia Studio Design. So today I'm going to tell you how I use AI to make my listing, and with the help of AI, how I'm selling one of the service, that is Photoshop service, where I'm manipulating with the photos and providing the solution to my clients. So let's go. It's Creator Studio 99. Here I have almost crossed 1100 sales, more than that. And over you can see we have the reviews of 4.8 almost, with the 165 reviews that I posted here. And I'm here around 2.5 years old. So here I'm going to tell you about the one of the service where I am using AI services, basically a ChatGPT and some other resources as well, to make this service online. And once anybody who buys these services regarding the Photoshop, I use AI tools and provide the solution to that. So let's go with the first one. You can see here we have listed professional photo editing and manipulation service. So here what we are doing, we are telling people, if anybody who wants to make their pictures like this in a listing, having a Thor hammer on their hand and anything, any kind of manipulation. They want to remove any people from the pictures, they want to add anybody inside the picture, they can use my service where I have used the tires level, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, depend on, obviously these kind of things, customer first reach out to you and they will tell you their things that they have to done. Then I'll tell them what kind of level that they have to choose in order to process their solution. So this is something that I'm doing here. And when somebody buy it, most of time, I use Canva, I use ChatGPT, I use third party, there are so many AI tools available online, which I used, and make the solution with the help of those tools. So let me go to the next listing. Wait a second, let me go back. Okay, here we go. So second service is almost similar to that. It's regarding Photoshop again, but it's more of the retouching and image enhancement. You can see how I can, how I'm showing my listing here. I have also posted a video here so that they know, how I do it. And this thing, we can easily achieve with the help of AI again. We just need to write the right prompt, and but in the video you can see, I have just creating this video to have some sort of visualization of the the solution that I'm providing. So it's a Photoshop service. I'm doing it for the hourly basis. So whoever list visit to this page, they choose my hourly services, whatever hours they want, after discussion of the projects, the scope of work. So we choose the hours from the client end, and they send me the offer to do it. So the next one is, let me go back. Next one is also retouching, restoration of the old photo. If you have any old photo that needs to be retouched, I'm using that. And then there's a logo service, and there's the ad service that I'm doing here. So these listing is my top selling listing on my store, and I'm doing it from last 1.5 year, and it's really doing really great. And like I told you earlier, I'm hoping this store will do around 1500 sales in total this year. I know might be the number can seems short, but the main thing is the average order price of your listing. So it's really good for me, and I'm doing really great here. Hope if anyone who needs any kind of consultation, anything that they need to know, I'm here to help you. You just need to click the link below in the description, and I'll be there for you. Thank you so much.